Hi, welcome back to the Boomers Tech Show. I'm Bertrand. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your control center on your iPhone. Let's get started. In order to get to your control center, you simply swipe from the top right of the screen down, and then your control center will appear. In order to customize your control center, you tap on Settings. Then you scroll down to where it says Control Center and tap on it. Now you have several options that you can accomplish. The first option is you can tap on Access within Apps, and this will allow you to use your control center while your apps are open. Or you could tap on Show Home Control, and this would include recommended controls from your home accessories and scenes. Now, you have two different options that you can do as far as customizing your control apps themselves. You have your included controls, which are the apps that will show up on your screen. And at the bottom, you have more controls. To remove a control, simply tap on the minus and then hit remove. To add a control, go down to the control, more controls, tap on an item, the plus sign, and now it is located on your control center panel. Now, if you wanted to organize or rearrange your controls, just simply tap on the ellipsis and drag it to where you want to place it in your panel. This has been a quick review showing you how to use your control center. If you found value in this video, please give us a like, subscribe, ring the bell, share, and comment. Thanks for watching the Boomers Tech Show. I'll see you in our next video.